Hi, when was the last time you decided to change any software? I really wanted to find some statistic about how often engineering companies change their software, but unlucky I was not so successful. Of course, you don't want to change the software because every company in supply chain using the same software. So why would you change it? It's really stupid. But I can easily say to you that I know one company which decided to change their CAD software. Yes, you're right, this is my company. And I decided to change it because I want to be in control of my expenses. So stay tuned and I will show you which software I changed. If you're an engineer, I believe that you know most of this software from this list. Lately I was using SolidWorks and CAD and they are really great software. But I believe that for small business or for startup, their prices may be too high. Because if you decided to buy CAD, you will need to pay on yearly basis $4,500. For SolidWorks, you will need to pay $4,000 per year. And that's why I decided to change my software and to find alternative software, and I found it in Fusion 360 because it's cost me only on yearly basis cost me only $500, which is really great. And beside that, during this Corona time, they offered me free for commercial use till May 31. Which is really awesome. And I found also that if you are a startup and you earn less than $100,000 per year, that you can use free for commercial use this software, which is really great. Now comes the funny part of this video. I downloaded, installed and created this cube in my new software in less than a half of an hour without any tutorial. Because of this, I'm quite optimistic that I will learn to use this software in a short period, which is also great. So have a nice day and see you tomorrow.